Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to share you how to prepare very colorful, very tasty and very easy Malnad special jackfruit dosa. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now for preparing jackfruit dosa, I have taken here 1 cup of dosa rice. Today I am preparing this for evening. So in the afternoon only I am going to wash the rice and I am going to soak it in water. Just rice is enough. Only we need to soak the rice, and evening I will show you what will be the next procedure. Now you can see it's evening. I am removing the seeds which are inside the jackfruit. And if you add more jackfruit, it will give good taste. See, I am going to remove all the seeds which are inside and then I will show you. You can see I have taken these many jackfruits. Now I have taken here mixer jar. For that I am adding jackfruits. Once I will grind this. You can see after grinding it looks like this. Now I am going to add the soaked rice. I have soaked it in afternoon, around 4 to 5 hours I have soaked it. You can prepare this for breakfast also or as the evening time snack also. In Malnad it's very common dish. And it's, as jackfruit is seasonal fruit, everyone prepare this. And now I am going to add cardamom. Today I am using around 3 cardamom. I am adding very little salt, just a pinch of salt just for taste. And then now I am adding jaggery. As it is clean jaggery, I am using it directly, or else you can make the jaggery syrup and you can use this. And how much sweet you want, you can use that much of jaggery. And it must be slightly sweet, so no need to use more jaggery also. And as the jackfruit is also sweet, check the sweetness and then add the jaggery. Now I'll grind this and I will make a fine paste. See, add little water and make a fine paste as same as dosa batter consistency only. You can see I have done a fine paste. You can see the color of the jackfruit dosa batter. It's light yellow in colors because of jackfruit, and you can feel the aroma of jackfruit and cardamom also. After making a fine paste like this, I am transferring it to a bowl. And you can see the batter is slightly thick and I felt that I need little sweetness. So I will dissolve jaggery in water and I will add that to this batter. I will show you that also. If the sweetness is enough for you, you can add little water and you can adjust the consistency directly. You can see I have taken here again small pieces of jaggery. For this I will be adding little water and I will dissolve it. Now you can see I have dissolved the jaggery like this. And now I will be transferring the dissolved jaggery to this jackfruit dosa batter. Mix it well. And if you want water, you can add it to adjust the consistency. Now I am adding little water. It's in this consistency. I will add little water and I will mix it. And no need to add any soda. The batter is already soft. And if you want, you can allow it to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes, or else you can do it directly also. Now you can see batter is in this consistency. I have time, so I will allow it to rest for around 10 minutes, and then I will show you how to prepare the dosa. Now you can see tawa is also heated. I am wiping it with one dry cloth, and you can see the jackfruit dosa batter. It's in this consistency. Now I am transferring the prepared jackfruit dosa batter onto tawa. You can spread it as normal dosa only. You can see the color of jackfruit. Now I am adding ghee. I am not using oil today. And today I am using homemade ghee. And it's preferred to use ghee only. So I am using ghee, and it gives good taste also. You can see the very beautiful color. And you can see the color of dosa here, it's changed to golden brown. Now you can see I am flipping the dosa. You can see the golden brown color also. If you don't want to cook on both the sides, you can cook it on single side also. But if you cook it on both sides, it will be very good. And it won't stick to tawa. On the other side also I am adding ghee. While cooking jackfruit dosa, you can feel the aroma of ghee, jackfruit and cardamom. You can see on the other side also it's changed golden brown. Now I will transfer it to serving plate. I'll be showing you another dosa. It's very easy. You can see the batter is also very soft. Now I'm adding ghee. And you can see we can remove easily from tawa also. On the other side also I am applied ghee. Now another jackfruit dosa is also ready. You can see very colorful, very hot, very tasty and Malnad special jackfruit dosa is ready. As it is sweet dish, I have served it with ghee. Today I am serving it with homemade ghee, and I have kept jackfruits also. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.